birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha. At you make sure na mag-ingat ka. Sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang. You stay safe. Wash your hands lagi. Kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times. And then yun na.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Uncle!
Birthday call.
Happy birthday, Lunes!
Stay guapo.
Happy
birthday, Dadilo! Birthday, Tito Nick. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy, love, and wonderful memories. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Wishing you a good health and stay safe always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Onik. May you have more birthdays to come, more candles to blow. May God guide you always wherever you go. You and your family. Praying that having you good health always and protection. That's all. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Onek. We love you. God bless you more.
Hello vlog! Happy birthday! Pasensya na ha, dili mi kana sa imong birthday. Just enjoy your birthday. Unya, kita-kits lang ta by July. Pohon in God's grace. So, enjoy your birthday from my family to yours family. Happy birthday, bro! Love you! Muang muang muang!
Hi, Daddy! Gulat po kayo, no? Akala niyo kung sino na. Happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na ama. Wishing you all the best things in life and may God bless you and your family always. Salamat po dahil kahit wala man kayo dito sa tabi ko at hindi man tayo lagi nagkikita or nagkakasama, lagi naman kayo nandyan para supportahan ako. Thank you rin po kay Tita Jed na lagi rin nandyan para sa inyo. Yun lang po. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. At grabe, 54 years old na po kayo. Pero parang hindi pa rin halata. Dahil pogi pa rin, always. Yun lang po. Love you always. Bye!
Happy birthday!